Die! Are you seeing what I'm seeing? This is pwede sa mga pregnant women, pwede sa mga breastfeeding moms. We don't just promote products for the sake of promoting it. Para hindi tayo naggogoyoan. Alam mo yun? Nawala yung redness, na-even out yung skin tone, but it still look like skin-like. Hi guys! So, kakatapos ko lang maligo as usual, and I'm super duper excited you guys kasi I haven't done my normal skincare routine for the past week or so. A week and probably 2 days. And I always do that every time meron akong testingin na bagong products. Because I really want to see kung effective talaga yung skincare na darating sa akin. So, wala akong skincare routine for the past couple of weeks and ramdam ko na yung mga dry patches ko. As in like, body soap ang ginamit ko sa face ko. No toner, no face oil, no whatsoever. Kasi nagpadala na naman ng products ng Dewha, you guys. And they actually asked me to test this out for like 10 days or so at i-share ko daw sa inyo yung experience ko with the product. And I love working with Dewha, you guys, kasi they're the kind of brand na please test out the products. Don't just receive them, like actually use them and show the before and after and share your experience. So alam mo yun, maluwag sila when it comes to authenticity. So I'm super duper excited to use these products kasi nakapukaw talaga guys sa attention ko is sinabi na this is mommy friendly. This is pwede sa mga pregnant women like me, pwede sa mga breastfeeding moms, and moms in general kasi 3 steps lang siya. Like you can achieve that glow down, improved skin with just 3 steps. Actually, yung pinakahuling step is a cushion. Na-review ko na to before. And this is different from other cushions kasi ito yung cushion na merong skincare benefits. Like, it's a skincare and cushion in one. Anyway, I look so pale. Maglagay naman tayo ng konting color. So guys, this is day 1. Tingnan nyo muna yung aking before skin. Ang skin na napabayaan. Ramdam ko talaga yung dry patches ko, you guys. So, I can feel dry patches here, mga whiteheads, mga blackheads maybe. Kasi wala talaga akong ginawa dahil. Hindi ako nag-exfoliate, hindi ako nag-toner, face oil, mga ganyan. Wala. That's the before skin. So the first product I'm going to try you guys is the Dewha AquaBoost 2-in-1 Sunscreen Serum. It has SPF 50 PA+++ and meron siyang niacinamide and vitamin C. So chika guys, this is a 2-in-1 product. It's a sunscreen but it's also a skin serum. So itong unahin ko bago itong water burst, itong isang to. Plus this one is a primer na moisturizer. So multi-use din to. Pero since this is a serum, unahin natin yung may silitang serum. So this is what the packaging looks like. Ganda. You have the information here. See the consistency. Ay, oh. Nakikita niyo ba? Para siyang dalawang component, no? It's really watery and runny, pero para siyang may moisturizer and, may serum in one. So, ang chika is, this is infused with moisturizing water-based serum. Meron siyang niacinamide and vitamin C to make your skin glow. Clear yung finish niya, walang white cast, it's non-sticky, at pwede to sa sensitive and acne-prone skin. It smells so good, you guys. Para siyang herbal na tea tree na citronella-ish. Ay, instant glow nga. Kanina nakita yung dry ko. Tapos kaya no, 1 layer of the serum sunscreen. And then, I get the instant glow. So I'm just gonna wait for a few minutes na ma-absorb yung serum and then we're gonna try this one next. Oh, I'm so excited! Alright guys, it's time to try this one. This is the Dewha Flawless Glow Hydrating Primer. Meron siyang SPF 25 PA+++. This is a multi-use product, 3-in-1 siya. It's a hydrating primer, a daily moisturizer, and a highlighter daw to boost skin's natural luminosity. It is so pretty! Guys, ito at saka ito yung tinatawag nila, the very popular Miracle Duo. And this is the first time itatry ko. Not this one, pero itatry sila together. Miracle Duo talaga. Check muna natin, guys. And let's see the consistency. Para siya... Oh! Ang bango. I am definitely the target market of these products. Kanina, ang tuyot-tuyot ng itsura ko, guys. But look at me. I look so hydrated. And the luminous finish, come on. Okay, wag tayo masyadong ma-excite. I mean, it does give a, really nice luminous finish. This one also smells really good. Pero syempre, yung highlight natin is kung mapapaganda ba niya yung skin natin compared to how it started. Nakita niyo naman kanina kung ano yung itsura ng skin ko, diba? So, I'm going to use this for a week and let's see kung magkakaroon ng pagbabago sa skin ko, kung ma-moisturize ba ako, mawawala ba yung dry patches ko, at kung mawawala ba yung mga butlig-butlig na nararamdaman ko and all that. So, yun ang pagbabasihan natin. Because in this channel, I don't just show products to you muna. For the sake of showing it, we don't just promote products for the sake of promoting it. Every time meron akong skincare na i-showcase, pinapakita ko talaga sa inyo na ginagamit ko siya for how many days. Para hindi tayo naggogoyoan. Alam mo yun? Hindi ko na ganon. Anyway, next product you guys is yung CC Cushion. Like I said, I've used this before. It's a CC Cushion and skincare in one. Hindi lang siya nakakatago ng imperfection or ng uneven skin tone. Meron din siyang SPF 30 PA+++. It's lightweight, easy to blend, really long-lasting, and with proper skin prep, magmumukhang flawless talaga yung skin nyo at hindi cakey. So I'm just going to apply it ng slowly but surely. A little goes a long way with this cushion. Hindi dapat isang bultuhan ang lagay sa mukha. Okay guys, eto may cushion, eto yung wala. As you can see, na-cover up yung redness and na-even out yung skin tone. Pero the glow, you guys. Nakakaloka kasi nagamit ko na itong CC Cushion before. And I'm still shooketh every time I use it. Lalo na nung sinama pa itong Flawless Glow Hydrating Primer and this AquaBoost 2-in-1 Serum. Die! Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Akala ko alam ko na ang lahat sa Dewha. Hindi pa pala. Basta ang sekreto guys, in using this CC Cushion, slowly but surely, manipis na layer lang and then you can build it up. Alright guys, so this is the finished product and this is day 1 and I'm super duper excited because so far, so good. I'm loving the finish itself palang muna. Pero we have yet to test the skincare properties of these two products specifically. Kasi ito talaga ang gagamitin ko every day. Yung cushion, I'll try to use it every day kasi meron siyang mga skincare loving ingredients as well. Pero I really want to focus dito sa dalawang products na to. Kasi ito talaga ang nagka-claim na marami kang benefits na makukuha. The Dewha AquaBoost 2-in-1 Sunscreen Serum and the Flawless Glow Hydrating Primer. Tignan natin kung effective talaga ang mga ito at hindi lang pambubudol yung mga napapanood natin na review ng ibang mga content creators like me. Okay, so I just finished taking a bath. My God, palagi ko nakakalimutan ayusin yung brows ko bago ako humarap sa inyo. Wait, let me put on something on my lips din muna. So I haven't done my skincare yet. Pero bago ko gawin yun, gusto ko muna makita nyo ang after skin. I honestly lost count, you guys. Ilalagay ko na lang somewhere here kung pang ilang day na tayo. But it's definitely more than a week. And actually, I was planning to do it on the 7th day mark. Like after a week of using the Dewha products. Kasi meron na ako agad nakitang changes. May nakita na talaga akong improvement on my skin. And I will show you. So compared to my skin more than a week ago, wala na yung dry patches ko. Definitely. That's like the number one napansin ko. No more dry patches. Wala na yung maaligasgas sa nose ko. Wala na yung mga bumps sa chin. Kasi dun talaga ako madalas tubuan ng bumps every time nagpapabaya ako sa skincare routine ko. And nabawasan na yung mga butlig-butlig. Yung mga pekas-pekas, yung mga ganyan-ganyan. yan. Right off the bat, you guys, I can say na these two products, okay, sama na rin natin yung cushion. These products are absolutely effective. Honestly, I'm not even surprised. I shouldn't be surprised kasi this is not the first time I tried Dewha products, and every time I do a skincare review ng mga products nila, I always get good results. Palaging may changes talaga, palaging may improvement. Okay, so paano ko nga ba na-achieve yung ganitong changes sa skin in just a matter of like more than a week? Well, first of all, guys, I used and abused these two products. I used this in the morning and I used this at night. Yes, you can wear sunscreen at night, no? You can wear sunscreen kahit dito ko lang sa loob ng bahay, and you can reapply anytime, multiple times a day. Kapag nakatapat ka sa laptop mo, sa desktop mo, sa cellphone mo, may mga harmful rays din yan. So it's always good to have protection or skin barrier. Plus, like I said days ago, this is a sunscreen and a skincare. Aside from the SPF, meron siyang niacinamide and vitamin C. Yung niacinamide, guys, maraming gamit yan. It hydrates the skin, it gives you that really nice glow, it acts as a skin barrier, reduces dark spots as long as you use it consistently and with enough time. A lot of skincare out in the market ay may niacinamide. And vitamin C, as you all know, yun talaga ang nakaka-brighten ng skin. To some extent, nakaka-lighten as long as you use it consistently. That's the keyword doon. Consistently. Yung Flawless Glow Hydrating Primer. I also use this at night bilang last step. At okay lang gamitin yun kahit gabi. Pero talagang favorite ko siya sa daytime because, you know, it's a primer, it's a moisturizer, and a highlighter. Kahit ito lang yung suot ko, I'm good to go for the day. They're really fast absorbing. It's non-sticky and it didn't clog my pores kasi hello, wala akong naging pimples. Hindi na-irritate yung skin ko. My skin love these products. At ang nakakatuwa, guys, this has SPF 50 PA+++, and this one has SPF 25 PA+++. So both of them are also like anti-aging for me. Kasi nakakatanda talaga ang mga UVA, UVB, mga ganyan-ganyan. And since may mga SPF siya, I'm protected. Now, samahan mo pa nitong Perfect Glow CC Cushion. This is like a skincare and makeup in one. It's hydrating, it's moisturizing, evens out skin tones, it conceals imperfections to some extent. Kasi ito is lightweight to buildable medium. I don't recommend yung mga cushion na gawin mong full coverage because definitely kahit anong cushion pa yan, if you make it full coverage, it's going to look makeup-y, a little bit cakey. Plus, meron din tong SPF 30 PA+++. So, itong tatlong to may SPF. Like, you are super duper protected. Plus, ang pinaka-importante talaga sa akin, guys, is they are busy mommy friendly. Kasi alam mo yun, mga 2-in-1, 3-in-1, ganyan-ganyan. And it's breastfeeding friendly. But I'm gonna be honest, you guys, ang pinaka-favorite ka talaga, aside from all the skin-loving properties, is yung finish. Instant glow. Like, instant glow. You look really young and fresh kapag ka, you know, you have this really nice dewy glow. Not oily, not greasy, but a really nice healthy glow. Parang banat na banat yung skin ko. I-try nyo tong Dewha. Lalo na para sa mga katulad kong mommy or yung mga soon-to-be mommies dyan na wala nang time to have a full skincare routine. You want like a maximum 2 to 3 steps and then you're good to go. I mean, look at that. Instant brightening effect. At hindi siyang instant na temporary, you know na it's improving your skin over time. Let's complete the look with the Perfect Glow CC Cushion. So, eto yung walang CC Cushion. Eto yung may CC Cushion. Nawala yung redness, na-even out yung skin tone, but it still look like skin light. Just be sure that you are applying the CC Cushion with caution. Let me just do my brows real quick. This is our finished look, you guys. Okay, so I don't know about you guys. This finish doesn't convince you enough. Why? What are you thinking? I will definitely repurchase pag naubos na to kasi pag nanganak na ako and everything, I don't have time to do my typical skincare routine, and I definitely won't have time to do a get ready with me like I usually do. So I need 3-in-1, 2-in-1 products na talaga makakatulong sa akin to make myself look better, quicker, faster. So yeah, that completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. So I'm going to link the products down below in case you're interested. No, I'm not affiliated. Kung meron akong makuhang discount code sa Dewha, I'll try and I will put it down below para naman maka-discount kayo. Pero they have sales eh. Kung nakita ko parang naka-sale to. So check nyo na, guys. Tingnan nyo. Baka maabutan nyo pa yung sale. But yeah, that completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And naniniwala talaga ako by the time you get to watch this, I have my baby boy na, my second child. But I definitely share more sa Instagram ko. So make sure to follow me. All of my social media accounts are linked down below. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!